Someone said, what you see is what you become. Hello, guys, welcome back to Life Clue. I hope you're doing fine. My name is Ruth. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So please, if you're yet to subscribe, please join the Life Clue family. We'd love to have you here. So let's get into today's video. Today's video, we're going to be talking about vision boards and the supplies for a vision board. You need a frame. For me, I prefer using frames so I can hang it on the wall or the door. Some people use, like I already said, digital method. You can just do it on your phone as a collage. And yeah, and you also need a pair of scissors to get your pictures, and you need images. How can you get these images? You can use Pinterest, you can use Google image search. Just type in what the goal is and any images that align with that goal, and you can use a bullet journal. This is my old one. This was this year, and this is the new one for it. Says life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. The first step before you start your vision board, before you start gathering your vision board supplies, the first thing I'll advise you to do is get rid of unbelief. Like, there's no point you dreaming about something when you don't believe that you can do it, because I, ow. Second thing I usually do is to reflect. I reflect on like last year goals, what I did wrong, what I can do better. The third step for you to do is to write down your goals. Yeah, have a theme. I normally have a theme for my new year, like a theme or a word of the year. And usually I have 3 words of the year. The one for me personally, the one from my church, and when I pray about the year. Let's start with the vision board. So yeah, I already cut out the paper, like what I need. So I'm going to glue it down to this sheet so I can put it in the frame. So you just arrange it however you see fit. Some I think this is like the template of what I want. So I'm going to glue them down together. So yeah, let's do that now. Done with my vision board. Let me explain something, guys. Yeah, and I didn't finish using all the posters and images I have, so that's okay. And it doesn't have to, your vision board doesn't have to be clustered like this. As long as you understand, vision board is a personal thing, so it's for you to understand when you see it, what comes to mind when you see that image. That's why I said it's important for you to have a key image, like a keyword that helps you, that will guide you to get the image on Google magazines or whatever you decide to get your images from. So let me explain a few of these. As you can see, this is the US visa. I put a passport picture of myself. You can use Canva, you can use PicMonkey, you can use Photoshop. But I used Canva though. So I put a picture of myself. So in 2021, I would love to get a US visa. I know it might not be a big deal to some people out there, but it's a big deal to me because I would love to do a rotation there. So I kept the JFK airport because obviously, if I get the US visa, I'm going to JFK. Like, that is, I'm not really going to New York, but that is one of the like main entrances to US. So that's why the picture is there. This is a fitness a fitness image. Like I would love to not necessarily be like this, but I would love to be consistent with my fitness journey. And this is Sarah TD Jakes dot TD Jakes daughter. That is Sarah Jakes Roberts. This is a picture. The reason why a picture is there is because I admire the way she speaks and I admire her confidence on the podium. So I would love to do better in my public speaking. Even now, like on the channel, I love to improve myself. And that is a big goal, but the steps I'm taking is to take some classes on Skillshare and to do some other assignments like write more, rehearse more, and all that. So that's why our picture is there. And also in our ministry, my ministry, I love to be better at public speaking. Yes. So this is a picture of the Baku airport. So I love to visit Azerbaijan by God's grace. And when you say God's grace, it's definitely happening because His grace never fails. So, yeah, I love to visit Azerbaijan. That is why the picture of the airport is here. This is a picture of a mountain snow, a house on a mountain snowing. Yeah, so I love to take a winter vacation next year by God's grace. This is I matched. This I matched is for those that doesn't know, USMLE, that is United States Medical License. After writing all the steps, then you have to get matched into the residency. So I matched means I've been thinking of my future. So I matched means you got into the residency. So this is not necessarily going to happen next year. Of course, it's not going to happen next year because I'm not done. But this is like the bigger picture. Consistency, like I already said, that's the word, my personal word of the year. So when the church one comes, I'm going to attach it. And when I pray over next year, I'm going to attach it. So consistency, I want to be consistent in everything I do on my blog, not my blog, my videos. YouTube, I have to be consistent. On Instagram, I want to be consistent. In studying, I want to be so consistency goes round all over my life. In my personal fitness, I want to be consistent. So that is what consistency is. Of course, this is my life clue. This is life clue. This is our page. Life Clue family. So this is life clue, discussion, lifestyle vlogs, productivity, and fashion. The reason why I put this here is because I know I'm lacking in some areas of the channel. So I would love to do more of personal videos next year, more of productivity like I'm already trying to implement now, and more of fashion next year. And the reason why the ad is under life clue is because I would love to get a sponsored video next year, at least 2 to 3 sponsored video. Yes, I'm saying it out there, 2 to 3 sponsored. And if you're here and you want to sponsor me, my email is in the comments, is in the description box. So yes, I'd love to get sponsored. um Philippians 4:6-8, I already said it, do not be anxious for anything. The reason why I love this verse so much is because I worry a lot about a lot of things. So anytime I see this, don't worry. Don't worry, everything will be all right. I think I skipped this. Yeah. Joy, gladness, not based on circumstance. That's First Peter 1:8-9. Joy is not about what is going on around you. Joy comes from within. Yes. Joy in the Holy Ghost, joy in the kingdom, joy in everything, joy in the greatness of God, not necessarily what is going on around you, what is happening around you. So yeah, and this farmland, I would love to own a farm. That's another story for another day. Just I would love to own a farm this year by God's grace. Sense of urgency, I already explained at the beginning of the video. I would love to have that sense of urgency so I can do things faster and not procrastinate. Subscribe. 5,000 subscribers. I would love to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of next year. So, and hopefully more than that. I'm not limiting myself. It's just what I see, and it's going to be better. And this is 3,000 followers on Instagram. So yeah, I like to get. I hope so, because me and Instagram, we have a love-hate relationship. Today I'm there, tomorrow I'm not. So hopefully, then the last thing is patience. Yeah, I already explained it. I like that. So I like to do better. So yeah, that is everything. That is always on my vision board. I hope you guys, this video was helpful to you guys, and I hope you guys do this, and I hope by next year, yes, no, yeah, by this time next year again, we are going to do another vision board for 2022, and we'll go over this vision board, and hopefully everything is checked out. 2021 will be great. I can feel it in my bones. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you're yet to join the family, please, I would love to have you. Would love to have you. I read every comment, so comment down below. I read every single comment. Trust me. Sincerely, check other videos, check the history. I read every comment, I like every comment. So comment down below what you guys are open for 2021. What is your main word for 2021? I would love to read it, and I would love to reply back. So let's chat in the comment section, and don't forget to like, and don't forget to share it. Let people subscribe, let your friends, let's have larger and bigger family. We are large enough to continue. Yes, so thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Have a nice December. Till the next video, have a nice weekday. Mwah.